Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by combining knowledge and action. Focus on calculus, physics, and statics while immediately opening CAD and sketching parts. Once done, build a simple physical prototype to test assumptions. The why is simple. Concepts stick when you make them real. Make sure to track time. Set 2-week micro goals for each skill and iterate. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start designing, printing, or machining small parts and learn from each immediate feedback loop. You move into the middle by chaining tools and thinking ahead. Run FEA and thermal checks before committing to geometry because failures at this stage are cheap. Once you validate concepts, apply design for manufacturability rules, tight tolerances only where needed, and clear GD and T so suppliers hit targets. Make sure to use version control and maintain a clean BOM. That avoids wasted iterations. Keep communicating with machinists and vendors. Their constraints will reshape better, buildable designs. You finish by closing loops. Prototype, measure, and refine until the product meets target specs. Once verified, perform life, load, and environmental tests to ensure reliability. Document lessons so the next cycle starts stronger. Make sure to standardize assembly and inspection steps for repeatability. If something goes wrong, isolate quickly. First check material properties, then geometry, and finally assembly sequence. This pinpointed troubleshooting saves weeks and prevents chasing the wrong fixes.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.